Hi guys, so I didn't get a chance to make a proper video today in the morning. I made one and then somehow I'm still trying to figure out how the computer and the uploading works. Quick take, what happened yesterday, very volatile market in the US. Trump says one thing, changes to something else, market goes up 2%, goes down 2%. If you are doing day trading, be very careful. Try to buy low, sell high. It's not a market for momentum investors. It is a market for short-term value kind of investors. There are few themes which are working in India. Do not invest for now in stocks which are dependent on exports. Pharmaceuticals is a great sector, but right now, because of uncertainty, you might see short-term volatility. There are few good stocks which we've always talked about in last few weeks. Cement, hospitals, local big banks, NBFCs. Those are the areas you need to focus on. Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Finance, both are looking good. Bajaj Finserv below 1850, Bajaj Finance below 8400. That's where you can buy. Bharti Airtel below 1675. Telecom sector, local stuff, local stock, no impact of tariff. Then you have agri stocks, Chambal fertilizer, very nice. You can buy it below 600. It has gone up a lot. Modi lost a lot of power in the recent elections. Now he wants to regain that power. How does he get his power back? By getting the votes of the poor people, of the people in the villages. So Chambal fertilizer is another one, and Coromandel, which is also on the agri side. So these two things which you really need to pay attention to. Coromandel you can buy below, I think, 1950, and Chambal you can buy below 600. Chola Holding and JSW Holding are also amazing stocks. Amazing stocks. They are more like a mutual fund because they invest in their own stuff, and yeah, it's a diversified kind of a thing. I'll talk more about JSW Holding because the stock has gone up just like crazy after March from 18,000 to 24,000. JK Cement and Shree Cement are another ones. So cement sector is also doing extremely well. I wouldn't buy them now. JK Cement maybe around 4,700. Indigo Travel, local, a lot of people have money. They are traveling. They are paying 10,000, 15,000 for local flights, which is crazy because you can fly to Vietnam or Thailand or the Southeast Asian countries from Delhi or Mumbai for 10, 12,000 rupees. But still people are paying from Chandigarh to Bangalore like 12,000 rupees. But yeah. Indigo is also expanding abroad. Indigo is an exceptionally strong stock. Indigo has to be purchased if you get a chance around 4,700. Then you have, we talked about Coromandel. Then we have Kotak Bank, extremely big bank, extremely strong stock. I think it is already in a range where you can buy it. It has fallen a lot in momentum terms is from 2,200 to 2,100. It is below its 20 DMA. So I don't think it's a risky stock right now. Marico is another one which is local consumption. I'm not too sure actually about the local consumption story still because, you know, my barber is still charging me 50 rupees for last 3 years. And a lot of people have been talking about all these consumption stocks and they have gone nowhere. Bata, VIP, PVR, then even Marico, a lot of FMCG, a lot of consumption. I don't think consumption is picking up unless you see that your maid or your barber is going to charge you more money. I don't think it makes any sense to look into. Consumption is definitely growing when it comes to hospitals because people want better healthcare, better facilities and so on. So you can look at stuff like Narayan Hridyalaya, which is a hospital stock, nice one. Below 1650 you can consider to buy. Then you have Muthoot Finance, another NBFC. NBFCs are doing in general okay. So look at Muthoot Finance, look at Sundaram Finance. Muthoot Finance, the good thing is that they do everything against gold. So the NPA is not there. You give them your gold and then they give you the loan. Their NPA is very low. And the stock has also come down a lot. A lot again in momentum terms is from 2,400 to 2,300. You can buy Muthoot below 2,300. So Sundaram Finance, Muthoot Finance those are NBFCs which you can look at. Then hospitals, I talked about Narayan Hridyalaya. I also have Max Healthcare. Then there are some chemical stocks which you can look at. And then cement we have already talked about in previous videos. Also Shree Cement and JK Cement. JK Cement 4,700 or below, and Shree Cement below 29,500. I think if you stay in the momentum stocks, if you stay in the stocks which are driven by the local domestic consumption, local economy, and when I say consumption, it has a lot of meanings. But for example, cement stocks. I mean, India has to build houses and all that, so you will see cement stocks because yeah, I mean, you can argue whether it's a productive asset or not. Separate story. Cement stocks, hospital stocks, NBFCs, big banks, some holding companies like Chola Holding and JSW Holding. Then agri stocks, Chambal, Coromandel, Telecom, Bharti Airtel, and the Bajaj Finserv and Bajaj Finance. Those are the strong stocks. If you go away from these, let's say if you try and bottom fish in auto or you bottom fish in pharma, you can get clobbered in the short term. In the long term, you will be fine.